Today we are going to be dealing with poor acceleration and rough idle on this bus. So this bus came to workshop, and if you start the car, it will only idle for let's say 2-3 seconds and go off. So I'll show you how to fix it if you encounter any problem like this. So you can see the bus here. This is the engine. You can see that it is a bus. So I'm going to start. This is the key. So I'm going to start the bus. You can see how it's running rough and it just went off right now. So I'm going to start again. It went off again. So for you to see it the more, I'll place this pure water over here. Let this water be here. Then I'll start the... So you can see what's happening. It just went off again. The engine is not idling. Let's look into the possible cause of this. So here is the MAF sensor. We are gonna trace the MAF sensor. The MAF sensor could be responsible for this. Also, the ignition coil. This distributor, the ignition, this ignition can be responsible. These are the major things that can cause it. But in some case, some people will be thinking that it's the fuel pump. It's not the fuel pump. I don't think it's the fuel pump. Okay, so the MAF sensor and the ignition is responsible for this kind of problem. I'll show you. So the first thing we are going to do is to examine how the engine is functioning. Yeah, in order to get our result. We are going to trace how the engine is functioning, how it steams, okay, and how the acceleration is. So let's see how we can do that. Watch as I show you how we can examine the function of engine to get your solution. Start the engine again. Let's start. You can see it went off. Okay, you see? It went off again, and if you notice something, it's not raising that smart. Not smart, why raising? You see, it's just shoot now. So that shooting means the ignition. Though sometimes it's the fuel pump, but the shooting means it's the ignition. Okay, therefore the vehicle not steaming smoothly, the rough idle means the MAF sensor. So first let's check the ignition. Let's check the ignition. So I'm gonna lose this ignition. It's okay, you can see shaking. So this shaking means the MAF sensor. Yeah, MAF sensor or the temperature sensor. This guy here can cause the shaking, or the MAF sensor. So we're gonna trace two important things. So let's check this. We're gonna hide this. Let's see. We're gonna loosen this. Lose it. First, we're gonna hide this. So you can see that it's already finished over there. It's already finished. So we're gonna turn like this. Let's say we're gonna turn like this and then start. Okay, we're gonna start it, but before then I'll tighten a little to see how it is. We tighten a bit and then we start. Okay, you can see the problem still persists a little, so I'm gonna open, I'm gonna lose again and then increase it a little bit. You can see that it still did the same, but there was a little improvement on it. So what will happen is we're gonna trace the MAF sensor. Let's trace the MAF sensor. So how to trace MAF sensor? The simple way to trace MAF sensor is you locate the throttle body and then look for there are little holes that do enter the throttle body, or possibly the air intake manifold. So locate the manifold, and you will see little holes. Okay, you can see, oh, this is one. Okay, this is one. So for this bus here, this is one of the holes. So I guess this is for the MAF sensor. So seeing that, what we are going to do is to locate the MAF sensor. We are going to look for the MAF sensor. Okay, this is the MAF sensor. You can see a little hose over here. I guess this would be plugged into that area. So we are going to plug in. So after we've plugged in that hose, you can see that the first problem we saw was this. We saw this, and the second was high in this ignition. So we are going to start. Let's see how it is again. You can see that the problem reduced right now. Okay, so we are going to reduce the ignition a little bit. So you can now see that the vehicle is now idling fine after we've done that. Okay, so that means the problem was the ignition and the MAF sensor. The MAF sensor and the ignition, that was the problem. So right now I am going to tighten back. I'll tighten back. Okay. So we are now good to go. That was how this problem was resolved. So the job is done. Everything is now resolved. So you can now see that we've resolved everything. The vehicle is now performing well. So if this is the kind of video you would like to be getting up from us, just have to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, share your opinion also, and we're good to go. So see you in the next video.